Hi, I'm Adam Bucket, and today Sydney and I are proud to present this huge 5-bedroom family home with 3 bathrooms right here in the heart of Bligh Park.
Let's go take a look at number 3 Wright Place, Bligh Park.
Set on nearly 600 square metres of land in a super quiet cul-de-sac sits this majestic 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with everything a growing family could want. When you walk up the drive, you can't help but be impressed by the street appeal of this classic 2-storey home with sweeping veranda and lovely gardens. Once inside, you'll be greeted by the large lounge room, formal dining room and a huge tiled family room where the whole extended family can relax or celebrate. Upstairs, there are 4 more large bedrooms with built-in robes, and the main bedroom having the luxury of a large ensuite and walk-in robe. The large family room flows effortlessly out to the backyard and the in-ground concrete pool, making summer entertaining a breeze. It's hard to imagine you could fit a home of this size with all of these features on a standard residential block right here in Bligh Park.
So if it's a 5-bedroom home with a pool that you've been searching for, why not reach out today, or we'll see you at our open home.